Hello dear student, this is Ranjit Parashar here and today I will teach you how to write letters. This is very important for both class 9th and 10th. Dear students, there are many kinds of letter but we can classify letter into two major categories. Number 1, formal letters and informal letters. Dear students, while writing formal letters and informal letters, we have to follow the specific manners. We will discuss here how to write formal letters and informal letters. While writing formal letters and informal letters, we have to discuss about what do you mean by formal letters and what do you mean by informal letters. So here I have defined it. Formal letters, it is written to officials for professional communication. Means formal letters are normally written to the officials for the professional communication, while informal letters are written to friends and relatives for the casual or personal communication. For example, if you want to write a letter to the electricity department, then you have to write a formal letter. You have to follow the tradition of formal letters. If you want to write a letter to your granny, your parents, your friends, then you have to follow the format of informal letters. Dear students, while writing formal letters, it doesn't require any kinds of proverbs, means avoid using proverbs and contraction words. And a formal letter requires a particular manners, a particular tradition, while informal letter does not require any kinds of tradition to follow, because you can write any kinds of manners, means you can decorate your letter, you can start with any kinds of salutations. So dear student, here it is a format how to differentiate the formal letter and informal letters. While writing formal letters, you have to write your address at the top of the left side along with the date, and then addressee's address. Addressee's address means to whom we are trying to write. Then salutation and subject, along with after that letter body, closing phrase like yours sincerely, yours faithfully, etc. While writing informal letters, you have to write only your address along with date, greetings like hello brother, dear friends, dear mama, etc. Then letter body and your name. Now we will discuss by taking an example of a formal letters. Suppose that you are Suryakant Saini, studying in St. Joseph Public School, Dalsing Sarai. The school session started a month ago, but textbooks are not available, means unavailable. Write a letter to the Deputy Director, NCERT, New Delhi, complaining about the unavailability या non availability of the textbooks. हम यहाँ लिखेंगे एक लेटर जो कि एक फॉर्मल लेटर है. आप सूर्यकांत सैनी हैं. ये ध्यान रखें कि जो नाम एड्रेस दिया गया है इसी नाम और एड्रेस को इसमें फॉलो करना है. जैसे इसमें आपका नाम सूर्यकांत सैनी दिया हुआ है तो आप अपना नाम सूर्यकांत सैनी, आपका एड्रेस जो है वो दलसिंह सराय दिया हुआ है तो आप अपना एड्रेस दलसिंह सराय मेंशन करेंगे. और आपको लिखना है डिप्टी डायरेक्टर एनसीईआरटी न्यू दिल्ली, तो एड्रेसीज एड्रेस को आप डिप्टी डायरेक्टर एनसीईआरटी न्यू दिल्ली को ही एड्रेस करेंगे. चलिए देखें कैसे हम लिखते हैं एक लेटर को. खास तौर पर जब हम फॉर्मल लेटर लिखें तो सबसे पहले मैंने आपको बताया कि जब आप फॉर्मल लेटर लिखते हैं तो आपको अपना एड्रेस लिखना है. जैसे कि आपका एड्रेस जो है वो है, जैसे कि आपका एड्रेस है, मान लेते हैं कि संत जोसेफ पब्लिक स्कूल दलसिंह सराय, date, suppose that it is 27th April today, 27/4/2020, use full stop here. Now address is address means to whom we are writing this letter. Write start with 2, then address is deputy to the deputy director, to the deputy director, NCERT, IT Road, New Delhi. Now you have to write subject. This is very important to mention subject. What is your subject? What you are trying to write. Dear students, here it is a complaint about the unavailability of textbook. About unavailability and non-availability, non-availability of textbook. Now, dear sir, this is the salutation. Dear sir or madam, comma, use comma. Now start your letter. I am very sorry. I am feeling very sorry. I am very sorry to inform you that हमें ये बताते हुए बहुत दुख हो रहा है कि ये सूचना देते हुए दुख हो रहा है कि NCERT टेक्स्ट बुक्स for class 9th or 10th are not available in our district Samastipur as the session started a month ago, so both the teachers and students are facing inconvenience, I beg your pardon, use inconvenience. यानी देखिए यहां तक क्या लिखा मैंने, आई एम वेरी सॉरी टू इन्फॉर्म यू दैट NCERT टेक्स्ट बुक्स फॉर क्लास 9th और क्लास 10th आर नॉट अवेलेबल इन आवर डिस्ट्रिक्ट समस्तीपुर. हमें यह बहुत दुख हो रहा है ये बताते हुए, बहुत दुख हो रहा है कि जो बुक्स हैं NCERT बुक्स वो हमारी लोकेलिटी में अनअवेलेबल हैं, अवेलेबल नहीं है. जैसे कि सेशन स्टार्ट हो चुका है एक मंथ पहले से ही, जिसके कारण दोनों बोथ द टीचर्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स आर फेसिंग इनकन्वीनियंस. दोनों टीचर और स्टूडेंट दोनों इनकन्वीनियंस फील कर रहे हैं. सो it is very important to make sure the availability of books as soon as possible for our bright future. So it is very important to make sure the availability of books as soon as possible for our bright future. इसलिए ये बहुत जरूरी है हमारे अच्छे भविष्य के लिए कि बुक्स जितना जल्दी हो सके वो अवेलेबल हो सके. Therefore, I request you, इसलिए मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं, therefore I request you to please take suitable action to provide textbooks soon. जल्दी ही आपसे, इसलिए मैं आपसे अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया जल्दी ही बुक्स, टेक्स्ट बुक्स अवेलेबल करवाएं. ए ग्रेट थैंक्स इन एडवांस. ए ग्रेट थैंक्स इन एडवांस. पहले एडवांस में ही आपको बहुत धन्यवाद. योर्स, you have to write your final closing words. Yours truly, sincerely, faithfully. You can write here sincerely. Yours sincerely. Name as mentioned, Suryakant Saini. Now, dear students, while writing letters, two basic things that is very important to follow. One, never use contraction or short words, and try to avoid any kinds of correction while writing a letter. I hope all of you are understand about what I am saying. So I will provide you couple of practice sets for letter writing later on. Just try to practice this letter now. Thank you. Have a good day.